Okay, here we go. This is LinkedIn and after hours earnings, and this thing is getting kicked in the butt. Why? It was overpriced to start with. And I remember when it was trading up there every damn day between 220 and 250 and 77 different times, had big swings off the bottom and selling off right here. We got a 205. I'm being told that that earnings is a miss. And here we go right here, right down here. Let's just take a look at that chart, folks. You know what I like about it? It's about time that justice be served. And not only that, you do not make the earnings, you are going to get to the woodshed. And here it is. Popped it from 230 down to 199. But let me tell everybody one thing. The options that were on this going into the close were rigged to start with. So basically, we had orders out here at 185. I'm printing 194. What an unwind as it is. This thing was so overbought that you would have to go pull your teeth. Yeah, we were 185, but the SMF team said get out of the way, and that's exactly what we did. But we do know for a fact that at 170.5 pennies, should it ever get down there, and we're going to go EXT, oh yes we are, and not only that, we don't know what they're going to say on the conference call. It could be a head fake. That was that low. And I'm just going to throw that out there. The chances of getting hit are going to be slim to none. So here we are, exactly what I know they missed the earnings. So that's what I'm being told. And not only am I being told that, the low right here was exactly 191. And yes, we had a 185 out there to buy, but we're going to find out a little bit more. They will have a conference call, and it's down $23 right now. And once again, they had buy ratings on this thing going into the close. They had every analyst buy LinkedIn, buy LinkedIn, buy it, buy it, buy it, buy it. Well, I don't think so. So we're going to find out what the real numbers are on it here momentarily. Okay, we're going to talk more about the earnings. Right now, we're printing 199 even. Not only are we printing that, here. So let's make sure that you can see everything as you can. Now, listen, the last lows that we had a couple of weeks ago is right where we're at right now at 198. And so we're going to have to get the guidances from the LinkedIn trade and whatnot. Then from there, we're going to take a look and see what their next couple of quarters will look at. Where their revenue's coming from. Is the competition starting to get a little bit overwhelming for LinkedIn? Just remember, though, that LinkedIn was probably one of the better social networking components when they first came to market. And for the last 6 quarters, it's done quite well. The last quarter, though, was not that great of earnings, but they spiked it anyway. So we are going to take a look at where we could trade this from the lows for a quick trade. As far as when it gets ready to bounce, what are they going to say? Remember what Amazon did last week in after hours. What we're on hold for is when Amazon was tanking, they actually ran that all the way back up and made it positive before taking it down again. So that's what we're going to look for, and that's what it's about right here. And it's printing out 198.50, 198. That's it right there. Here's another thing that we'll take into consideration. One of the things that we would like to show everybody is that when LinkedIn came out with the report, it's got slammed down here to $191. And it currently is on a rebound at the current level. That level right now is obviously a dead cat bounce to 209. We have shorts out there at 219.9. And like I said earlier in the video, is we had this kind of volatility in after hours when Amazon reported their quarterly report. So we were at 191 and the stock is bouncing right now at 208. Okay? And they did give downside guidance on this name right here. So after hours volatility is something you will want to get with this so that you can even get involved to start with.